Welcome to our webinar today. And for this section, we will get started with TeamBoard TimePlanner, an app for Jira. Uh, of course, TeamBoard TimePlanner is developed by DevSamurai, and my name is Emily. I'm from DevSamurai, of course, and today joining with us, we have Annie. She's the product expert. That is why Annie will walk you through every details of TeamBoard TimePlanner. But first, let's figure out what is TeamBoard TimePlanner, how does it help for your project, and what is its capabilities. Next one, Annie will help you with time planners. And the final section, we will have Q&A for you to easily understand, have a deeper understanding about time planner, and we will help you assist you with any ideas, any concerns that you may have with time planner. To begin with, time planner is a resource planning, time tracking, timesheet, and cost management tool for Jira. That means time planner will help you in time management, resource management, work management, capacity planning, calendar, time tracking, timesheets, bill, and invoice. So you may ask, what is the solution of time planner? I must say it's a lot because we can generate time planner into 6 key features. The first one will be resource management, which basically means simplifies the resource allocation and resource optimization. The next one will be task planning and scheduling. So this one will help you with task enhancement, visualization, and planning everything about your task within only one calendar view. The next one will be workload management. For this one, you will be able to balance your workload to avoid overload, avoid burnout, and also underutilization. For leave and event planning, this one is one of the famous feature that TeamBoard TimePlanner ever have. So for this feature, you can be able to schedule leave and get approval basically on TimePlanner. So this will ensure your team availability and project continuity. Next one, time tracking. Just like the name, this one you can have a accurate tracking of your working hour, and from that it will help you efficiently working with timesheet management. The next one will be cost management. For cost, of course, it will be about money and saving your money from wasting on on your project. So it will help you with handle everything within budget. And last but not least, reporting and dashboard. About a dashboard, it will offer you a very detailed but still a quick glance of any real-time insights, so you can quickly make a move if anything out of expect coming up. For reporting, it will provide you every details and metrics from your projects as a project manager. So the question is, what is TeamBoard TimePlanner's main capability? I think our user gain a lot of benefits from our apps, but to be basically we can generate the capabilities into 4 main sections. The first one is resource management, about allocating the team resources and utilize the efforts and the resource. The next one will be team management. It will enable you as a team leader to oversee your team activities, schedules, and even manage costs from here. Next one will be time tracking. Yeah, as I mentioned, this one is for tracking your working hour to avoid any inconvenience with costs, and also help you and your employees to log timesheet and also approve the workflows. And last one, cost management, for you to plan, monitor, and report and get reports on your project costs and billing rates. Okay, let's go for detail with Annie. All right, thank you, Emily. Hello, everyone. My name is Annie from DevSummer team, and welcome to our webinar on getting started with TeamBoard TimePlanner, an all-in-one solution to revolutionize project and team management. And today, I'm very excited to take you on a journey exploring TeamBoard TimePlanner. We will dive into its various aspects that empower you in project management, collaboration, time tracking, cost management, and generating comprehensive reports. So let's be set screen and we will be going into over detail of each feature. Let's start it. Let's start our journey with resource management. In TeamBoard TimePlanner, user can enjoy a detailed profile interface. As a user, you will experience a comprehensive layout that's catered to specific role and technical skill and working experience. Based on that, the manager will have overview of their team member to ensure an optimal allocation of resource. You can easily click on the edit profile button to update your information. You can manage your timesheet here, time block, and request your leave vacations. Also, have you get an overview of your working capacity, task schedule, and your log time. And if you are an administrator, you have a permission to access, manage, and configure team member profiles, such as editing their profile, allocating resource rates, editing working capacity, holiday updates, an overview of timesheet, time block, requested leave, and general reports. Schedule is one of the key features of the TeamBoard TimePlanner. On this bar, you will have the option to view team or individual schedule by clicking on these buttons, as well as choosing days or week, or to view the schedule in short or long term. And so let's talk about planning. Schedule events. We are supporting many ways for you to schedule your tasks. Firstly, in case you already planned your issue before, you can simply click in on the issue button, select your project and write your task you want to plan. And for example, I want to plan this task, and you can simply drop your task on the schedule board. And on each task, you can adjust the planning time. For example, this task will be automatic appear 8 hours per day based on my working capacity, but you can adjust this like easy to wrap lights and adjust the planning time around 4 hours. And if you want to change a assignee for this task, you can drop this task and move to the other member calendar board. So on the other hand, you can schedule a task directly on this board, like clicking on the white space, and then you can either create a new task by clicking on the new issue here, or you can simply the existing task that you already planned before. Like I will select my task I already planned, and you can add more assignee for this task. For example, I add Kelly is another assignee, and McKinsey will be payable. This feature, meaning like how much you will pay for this member in the plan. This will be very effectively or when you're working with agency or the association. So just blend your task. Next, move to the other feature, workflow management. Workflows are which is essential for maintaining productivity and preventing burnout. For example, this feature will allow you to view the workload based on working capacity to better understand who is overloaded and who is in the utility or fulfilled. Then you can reduce time for more balanced workflow. All right. Also, this board allows you to manage the leave request workflow, and users have convenience of directly requesting their vacation leave through the same schedule board, and which will automatically record on your the calendar board.
Within the TeamBoard TimePlanner schedule tab, the user also effortlessly to create the events and the event will be distant from Jira issue, allows the schedule of a special activity but don't fall within the regular working hour. Like I have already planned this event on this Friday. So TeamBoard will make it easy for you to work with your team and view everyone and everything in a single board. When you are on the board at the member tab, you will see every single of your team member. You can add a new member here or remove anyone or even assign a team leader. Then navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of all activities like the achievements and challenges faced by your team. And then schedule are will help you track schedule tasks of each member as well as their working capacity and workload management. So cost tab, this will help you track your expenses with the team cost report and adjust the time range to see historical or projected data. And report will offer in-depth team insight and asset the detailed report on capacity task, schedule, events, and the time block as well. Let's talk about team timesheet. As to see this tab, the current user needs to be the team leader, and this feature will help you to right. So this feature will help you to view the timesheets of a member that's objective within a specific range of time, like working capacity, time block, and their leave. And you can train the member here, right? So next, let's talk about how you can track your time effectively with a TeamBoard TimePlanner. So now I will introduce to you another key feature of TeamBoard TimePlanner to enhance your time tracking experience. So firstly, going to the time block, the user can plug in and submit their time or schedule tasks. And this feature will allow you to track your actual time spent on an issue and have you record it directly in your workflow. For example, I already scheduled this at around 7 hours, but I already completed 6 hours, and I blocked 6 hours for my on this task. And as administrator, they can also block time and submit on behalf of the other member. And we are also support the user to log directly by clicking on the white space. Then you can block your working time for the task or the events here. So with the start timer button, we have you keep track of the time spent on specific task. Pressing this button as you start a task. For example, I will choose the task here, and your work duration will be recorded automatically. It will be recorded by on your current day when you start this button. All right, just wait a minute. It will be recorded automatically based on your current day here. And right, let's talk about timesheet approval. After you log all your time, you can submit them to the manager for review by clicking on this button, submit timesheet. And in the timesheet approval of the approver, or the manager can get the notification from the reporter through email or directly in this app to view the timesheet approval in this session. Your manager can accept or reject or comment on each report type, and to return the record back to the reporter. The approval can today to unsubmit it. And my timesheet will collect all of your block data and show you the overview of working time, leave time. All right. Besides this feature, we are also supporting cost management based on individual um, project, resource, or client. As administrator, we have a permission to access financial insight through the cost report feature, and we give you 4 type billing reports and tailored for individual team, projects, or client, and each type serve each purpose. And we can also view the exact data captured in the specific time range over here. All right. Besides this feature, we are also support. So lastly, TeamBoard TimePlanner will give you a comprehensive report. You can track total working capacity, schedule, time and block time based on the team, project, and specific member. Also, the hierarchy view here will have you to overview. Alright, I will adjust the time a little bit for last week. And the hierarchy view allows you to overview a deeper insight of workload into your project assignee and issue we have to manage projects more effectively. So lastly, TeamBoard TimePlanner will give you a comprehensive rates. The dashboard is currently the same report. It also gives you more metrics like your personal and the team workload and the overview of scheduled tasks and a calendar board and summary of your report. To our grammar of this demo, TeamBoard time feature cover the 5 essential feature, such as the resource management. We have like member sessions allow you to manage your detailed profile of that, and task planning, workload management, leave requests and events or vacation planning. And in the team management, we also support some specialized tool designed for team leader, streamline project-based management, including the schedule tasks, course, and utilize team Timesheet here. And the first one is time tracking. We support the user with various time tracking experiences and time block and managing the time more effectively. And the next feature is cost management. Like we providing easy tool to help you manage and track the purchase based on your project and the team member. And the last one is report and dashboard. And report in dashboard carry the same is offering you in-depth insight into the team capacity, project performance, and the overall of your team and overall productivity. Thank you so much for listening. I hope that my sharing will help you gain a deeper insight about TeamBoard TimePlanner as well as how it can effectively assist you in resource planning, team management, time tracking, and time sheet for Jira. With that, I will hand it back to Emily. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much for your sharing, Annie. It's so meaningful and informative, and I believe our users may have a chance to try our app right now. So if you have any question or any inquiry, please email us via hello@teamboard.cloud, or in case you need any audio assistance, for example, technical support or feature suggestion, let's just drop us a ticket or an email to alasian@devsmarai.com. For live demo booking, let's just go to our website and create and fill in the form, and we will assist you shortly. Moreover, we have a YouTube channel at devsmarai.com, and you can visit our channel for tutorial videos, step-by-step guides, or any live demo, short demo if you need. Okay, I think that's it. And just please let us know your inquiries or any question, and we will assist you immediately. Thank you so much for joining us today, and have a great time. Bye-bye.